My name's Elena and I'm doing the Bachelor of Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering. Since I was young, I always wanted to be an engineer, so it was always in my mind. And when I saw that you could do welding and stuff in this course and the VR headsets, I thought it was definitely a course for me anyway. I love the welding, it's great fun, and I love the bench work as well. But I also like fundamentals of engineering science. I think it's interesting. I love the VR headsets because it's definitely different. So we're using an app called Gadgeteer, and in that we have to make a Rube Goldberg machine out of dominoes and ping pong balls and catapults and stuff. You know, there's a lot of problem solving in it, which is good for engineers to get you used to what is to come in your career, I suppose. I found the lectures to be very helpful because they give you lots of sheets for the labs, and they have the procedures and the methods and the apparatus to be used. So that's very helpful to me. Yeah. I chose engineering at MTU because the course is very hands-on and practical, and I love that kind of work.